we are clearly in my very messy studio. 'Tis the seasons, getting ready for the holidays. This is real life. My studio is not Instagram perfect. Regardless, today I'm in my studio. It's a really busy work day. I have so much to get done in the studio, and I thought I'd bring you along for something new that I've been doing is making shower steamers. Today's name of the day is shower steamers, and it's a newer product of mine, and I am obsessed with it. So if you're not familiar with shower steamers are like a little disc that you put in the bottom of your shower, let the water hit the shower, it steams, there's essential oils in it. I'm making eucalyptus mint today, and the essential oils will raise up and clear your sinuses, hopefully. Now, with the weather turning for the winter time coming, these are incredibly popular. I had them at the last farmer's market. They sold out within the first hour. I should have made way more. So today I am making hundreds of shower steamers, and I thought I'd take you along and show you how to make them, because why not? That's what we do. So I'll go through the supplies you need, and then I will show you how to make them. They're super simple. They're a great gift. They're great for stocking stuffers. So, all right, let's just dive into it. So supplies that you need, you're gonna need some sort of bowl or bucket that will hold the ingredients. You're gonna need a mold of some sorts. So I bought this mold on Amazon. It's a disc one. It's hand done, because you can buy like a bath bomb press for these, but they're expensive, and I'm not on that level yet. No. So I bought this on Amazon. It's newer. I used to use like a cookie punch thing, and that totally works, but I'm making so many, that thing was so cheap, it kept breaking. So I have upgraded to this machine, and I will show you how to use it. You're gonna need a reputable scale, something that is correct, because we measure everything out to the ounce. And then the main ingredients are sodium bicarbonate, which is also known to you as baking soda. This is aluminum-free baking soda. It's from a wholesale distributor, so it's a little better quality than your standard baking soda, and it's a little more light and fluffy. You also need cornstarch and citric acid, which is what makes it bubble. If you ever done a bath bomb, that little bubbly, that's what the citric acid does. Then you will need essential oils. Today we're doing eucalyptus mint. So I have eucalyptus essential oil. And then I have mint here that I grew, because as you guys all know, I have an herb and flower farm, and I grow my own herbs. So these are herbs from farm. You don't have to add herbs to it. A lot of people don't, but I like to. So that's what I'm doing. And then witch hazel. We don't use a lot of this, but it helps the recipe. Okay, so simple ingredients. I mean, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 ingredients. I mean, that's pretty good. And that's it. You mix it all together, you press it, you let it sit for 24 hours, and voila. So let's just start making some. I'll show you how to do it. Super simple. Oh, and you need gloves. Don't touch this stuff with your hands. So let's be sanitary here. Okay, let's get into it. Okay, so I'm all set up here. One thing I didn't mention is you need a strainer or a sifter, because you don't want lots of clumps in your mixture. So I'm gonna start with the baking soda here. Let's see here. Start pouring it in. I'm gonna measure it out to the ounce. I am not giving you guys my exact recipe. Maybe someday I will, but right now I'm not. So let's get that to what I needed. Okay, that was a little too much, so I'm gonna take a little out. It's pretty good. Okay, so now set that aside and sift it into the bucket. See that little clumps? Get rid of those. Okay, also make sure you do all the dry ingredients first, not the other way around. Okay, so let's tear my scale out. Next thing I'm gonna do is citric acid into here. See those chunks? We're gonna break those up. That's why we have the strainer. We don't want those chunks in here. Okay, pretty good. Set that aside. And see, we're just gonna go like this and push it through the strainer. Look at all those chunks. That is not what we want. So you're gonna push it through so it's nice and fine. See the difference? Whoops, one fell in. It's okay, I'll break it up later. But you wanna get almost all the chunks, okay? Now, we're gonna do cornstarch. Okay, and open this, open the bag, because it's a brand new bag. Okay. So cornstarch is really light and fluffy, so I'm gonna scoop it. We don't need a ton of it. Okay, cornstarch is good. Set that aside. And then there you go, sift it. There. Now, so those are all of the, well, and then I'm gonna put some mint in there. I just do like a handful of mint. You don't want to make sure like there's a stem there. Take the stems out. Then I put a little bit of mint in there. I don't measure the mint. I don't put a lot because I don't know, like I feel like people, I mean, I like fresh herbs, but some people get weird about it in their showers. So I just put a little bit. Okay, so now let's just mix that up. Make sure it's all incorporated together. All together. And then this feels pretty good. See how light and fluffy that is? All right, now we're gonna add the essential oil. This is eucalyptus essential oil. It's a fair amount of essential oil. So I open all my windows here because it's pretty strong. And oh my gosh, this is really hard to get off. Hold on. Let me just pop it off with this. Oh, can't get this lid off. There, oh my God. Whoa, that was a little insane. Okay, so again, this is essential oil. This is pure eucalyptus essential oil. So just be advised, it's strong. So I'm going to add this now. Measure it out carefully because essential oil is expensive, and yeah, that's all. It's expensive. All right, and then I'm gonna mix that in. Now, this is where you start paying attention to make sure it's all really mixed in. See how it's kind of clumping up? I wanna break up those clumps and make sure every little bit gets, see how it's getting granulated? It almost turns into like that like kinetic sand, if you've ever played with that. So you don't want it to be completely wet or saturated. You want it like kinetic sand. So, and that's where the witch hazel comes in. You just add a little bit of witch hazel in order to achieve the wetness that you need. So let me open this up. And that's when I'm gonna add the witch hazel now. Oh my God, these bottles, I can't get their tops off. Are ridiculous. Oh my gosh, I'm just gonna poke through this one. There we go. Just open it that way. Oh my God. Okay, I'm just gonna do like a capful of this and see how that goes. See how it's bubbling? You gotta really move. That witch hazel is gonna activate the citric acid. So you wanna move really fast when you put that witch hazel in. It's not terrible, but that's when you gotta start getting moving. That's okay. See how that's going? It kind of stopped the sizzling. And we're feeling pretty good, I think. Look at this. So now look, see how it's like staying together, but falling apart at the same time. But that's good. See how that's popping around in my hand? I love that. All right, so now we're ready to make the mold. Set this all aside. Now, okay, so now see how it's going like that? We are looking good. So now let's get the mold. Here's the mold. You put a little disc in the bottom. I do a scoop of this and I just level it off. You don't have to be too aggressive right now with it. And then I take this piece and give it a little push here to kind of go like that. This disc on top. And then you take this and you press hard, okay? And then hypothetically, it should come out like a shower steamer. So that's not perfect, but it's not bad. So this is your shower steamer. Now you set it aside and you just keep repeating. So I'm gonna keep doing this and you guys can watch. Oh, put the disc in. Yeah. Okay, great. So I just finished the full recipe. I will show you. This recipe made 23 shower steamers. So that's great. I'm probably going to do another 4 or 5 recipes because I need hundreds of these for my events. So let me show you how much this made. And that's it. Pretty quick video today. These shower steamers are currently on my website. So if you are interested in them, you can purchase them on my website at bainbridgeblooms.com. I'm actually having a sale right now. If you're watching this in October of 2024, I'm having a sale on the website. You get 15% off until the end of the month. So if you're interested, go get some shower steamers. Thanks for watching today. It's been fun. And yeah, I hope you guys are enjoying the videos I'm putting out. I'm gonna keep making more. I'm working a lot in my studio now because I'm getting ready for all my holiday shows that I'm doing in November and December. So hope you're having a great day. I will talk to you guys later.